Tired of texting leads one by one? Let's unlock the power of mass texting in Follow-up Boss and supercharge your lead engagement. First, navigate to the People section in your Follow-up Boss account. This is where all your contacts live. Now, select the contacts you want to include in your mass text. You can do this by checking the box next to each name or using filters to segment your list based on specific criteria, like lead source or property interest. Filtering is key. Use those filters to target the right audience with the right message. The more targeted, the better the results. Once you've selected your recipients, look for the Send Bulk SMS button. It's usually located above the contact list. Click it. A new window will appear where you can compose your message. Here's where the magic happens. You can type your text, or better yet, use pre-designed templates for common messages. Don't forget to personalize. Use merge fields like first name or property address to make your message feel personal and relevant to each recipient. This is crucial for boosting engagement. Take a moment to preview how the message will appear to each contact. This ensures that all the merge fields are working correctly and that your message looks professional. Finally, once you're happy with your message, click Send. A confirmation window will pop up, double-checking the number of recipients. Make sure it's accurate and then confirm. Bam! Mass text sent.